Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stressed about what to serve your toddler? Are you in short time, not sure what your toddler might actually eat? Do you need some fresh ideas for new recipes? Then this is the right video for you. So here are a few toddler breakfast recipes which takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. So now let's quickly get into the recipes. Today's first recipe is bread toast with peanut butter. Peanuts and peanut butter are affordable and nutritious option for growing children. The great thing about peanut butter is most kids like it, even picky eaters do like it. Here I'm toasting the bread on tawa with desi ghee. I have used brown bread here. You can also use the multi-grain bread. Here I'm applying the peanut butter on the toasted bread. You can be generous in applying the peanut butter, especially when you serve it for kids. Peanut butter is rich in variety of nutrients and it's also rich in calories and fats which help the underweight toddler to gain weight. Here I'm cutting the toast into small pieces. This helps the toddler to pick the pieces easily and avoids the choking while eating. Now always try to add fruits that are in season for the breakfast. Along with the toast I'm giving few strawberries here. Strawberries are excellent source of vitamin C and manganese. Kids need vitamin C for growth and healthy immune system. Here I'm adding 1 slice of cheese. Cheese is an excellent source of calcium and protein. Consumption of cheese helps to gain the weight in a healthy way. So this is how the first breakfast idea looks like. Let's get into the second recipe. Now the second recipe is oats and nuts porridge. Many foods that kids love are not exactly rich in fiber, so loading them up with a bowl of oatmeal in the morning can help them to meet the daily requirements of fiber. I'm cooking the oats here with a cup of milk. Now the quantity of the oats can be adjusted as per your child's requirement. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of nuts powder to this. Including nuts in child's diet is very important. A cup of oatmeal has 160 calories and 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt. Actually, many toddlers like eating the porridge in the sweetest form. If that is the case, you can add the grated jaggery or the blended dates to this porridge. Oats' strong nutritional profile will aid in your toddler's growth and development. Now after serving the oats, here I'm giving a slice of cheese. Instead of giving the whole slice of cheese, I try to roll it up like this and give a stick shape so that the toddler easily holds it and eat. Now after cheese, today I'm serving kiwi fruit. Kiwi is packed with nutrients and vitamin C. It is perfect to strengthen the immune system of your toddler. Kiwi is known for its high fiber content, potassium, phosphorus, calcium and vitamin E. So this is the power-packed breakfast for your toddler. Lot of fiber from the oats, potassium and vitamin C from kiwis and lot of calcium from cheese. Now let's get into the third breakfast idea, that is tomato pasta. Now let's see how to make this yummy tomato pasta. Now here I'm heating a pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 1 medium size onion here. Saute it until it turns into a golden brown color. Today I'm making a simple plain tomato pasta, but if you want to add any vegetables, this is the right point. You can add the vegetables here. Now I'm adding the tomatoes here. I have finely chopped 2 tomatoes. Try to add ripe tomatoes for tangy flavor. Now I'm adding half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of chili powder and half a tablespoon of garam masala. Saute all the masalas here. It should not make very spicy when you serve it for toddlers. Now here I'm adding half a bowl of cooked pasta. I have cooked the pasta in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I'm using the regular pasta, but if you want you can replace it with organic pasta or the brown pasta. Here I'm adding 100 ml of water. Now all the masalas has to be infused into the pasta, so cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, yummy tangy tomato pasta is ready to serve. Now, as part of a fruit option today, I'm giving pineapple. Pineapple is a healthy food that's rich in vitamin C and magnesium. Pineapple has a dietary fiber which makes super healthy food option for toddlers. Now, along with these, I'm including few walnuts and cashews here. This is how the third breakfast idea looks like. Now let's get into the fourth breakfast idea. Now the fourth recipe is besan chila. This is high protein breakfast idea. This recipe has been already posted in the channel. I will give you the link in the I button and the description box as well. Please check the recipe. I am serving the besan chila with tomato ketchup here. You can also serve it with chutney as well. As fruit option, I am giving strawberries here. This is the fourth breakfast idea, power packed with lot of protein. Guys, if you like the recipes, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive further notifications. Thanks for watching.